No.
Hey guys, this is Ryan B and welcome to 20 Minutes Underground.
Gonna hit your leg.
Oh yeah! Give me another. Come on, do it. Oh yeah! It's good stuff. Come on, one more. Come on. Oh, thank you. Oh.
Ryan with Underground Reptiles. Welcome to our online reptile show for enthusiasts like Drew. That's why he's here. This week we're going to look at arachnids. I don't know why we're looking at arachnids. I can't stand spiders. Now if they're in a cage and they're behind the glass, or even if you take them out, I like a nice pink toe, specially viculated versicolor, or some nice spider. But when I'm out hunting and I feel something crawling on my neck, I'm like, just get that freaking thing off me. Even if it's a lizard, if I think it's a spider, I think about a brown recluse. Every time I have a spider, the first thing I think, it's a brown recluse. The brown recluse. Something is like, smash it. Did it bite me? Oh, I hate them. Hope you enjoy the show because I didn't. Wuss.
This is Pete the Bugman. I'm feeling a little verklempt today, so you gotta bear with me. I'm playing with some bugs that could probably kill you, so you know, let me show you what we got here. First we're gonna go with the spiders. This here is a rose hair tarantula. It's a beautiful spider. Look at that thing. It's like beautiful, beautiful, cute little spider. Be very gentle, very gentle. You pick it up, see? And you can hold it. Look at that. This animal is very easy to keep, eh? Oh yes, it requires a cricket or two a week, a little water, lots of substrate for to burrow. They like to burrow because they got to keep their tuchus nice and warm, you know what I mean? So this is a very cool spider. This is a rose hair tarantula. Rose hair. See how pretty she is?
That's beautiful. What is that, velvet?
It's velvet, yes. It's very like crushed velvet. I like it. And we paid $5 for it too. Yes. Buy two, get the third for the same price. Ha! I don't like that. That's not a good joke. Yes. What do you want, little boy?
I want the hund.
I'll feed you to the centipede if you don't get out of here. All right. We'll put this little guy back here now, eh? He's a pretty. Oh, look, she's going to take off now, see? These things are very, very, very gentle. They go a little crazy sometimes. You never blow at them because they're hairs. They got these hairs. And you touch the hairs and they go flying everywhere, you know? All right, I'm going to show you a spider that can probably hurt you pretty bad there. The Bengal Spotted Ornamental Porcelatheria Miranda. Beautiful spider. But you cannot hold this one. Look at the color of this beauty. Look at that. Very, very dangerous spider. You don't want to get bit by this one. This will make you very, 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 very cranky for about 4 or 5 days. Look at that thing. Nice spider from India. Huh? Natural colors, huh? Look at that thing. Looks like somebody painted it. So this is a display animal only. You don't pick these up. Remember that. No picking up. I got another one just like this called a Salem Ornamental. This sucker's beautiful. This one's more banded looking. I've owned these things since they were little puppies. Look at them now. Beautiful. Look at that spider. Look at that, huh? Isn't that beautiful? It's like painted. It's like somebody took it out and painted it with a paintbrush. I like that, huh? I like it. You like it? Ah, what do you know? All right. Yeah, that's what they all say. Kids today. Wise guy. All right, so that's still all the spiders.
Show the centipede.
I'm going to show this. You shut up.
You have Merry Christmas and a killer Kwanzaa
and a Hoo-yah Hanukkah. Alright, get out.
Hey, Moody Boodi here. Merry frickin' Christmas. And Peter, a happy Jew year.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ain't nobody got time for this.
Guys, Pete from Underground Reptiles. Wishing you guys all happy holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year. The whole spiel. Everybody have a good holiday. Remember, don't drink and drive. Uh-oh. I have a present coming up here. Ready? Here he comes. There he is. All right. That's my little Meshuggah.
To all you underground punks out there, Merry Christmas. There's a few things you gotta do during Christmas. One, you have to burn your Christmas tree after you use it. You have to watch Home Alone 1 and 2. And you have to kill all the people that do the JM, Lexus, and Mercedes ads to make you feel guilty about not buying your wife a car. I told my wife I was gonna buy her a car. She's gonna be pissed. Merry Christmas.
This happened to Kevin on the freaking Thanksgiving one, and you were fine. You said thanks.
Alright. This is Josh down at Underground Reptiles, and just wishing everybody Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope it goes well. And Phil says hi too.
So here we are at the famed American top team, the mecca of martial arts, of mixed martial arts in all the world. The best fighters come out of here. So you might ask, what am I doing here? Well, obviously you guys that watch our show regularly always see that I always wear American top team t-shirt. And we get these constant emails and comments that asking us why my ears so messed up. Well, there's a reason why my ears are so messed up. I'm a mixed martial artist and a jiu-jitsu practitioner. Here we are in front of the cage. This is where we practice. This is where we roll. If you turn around. Now it's early in the morning. That's gi jiu-jitsu, no gi jiu-jitsu. If you look around, that's our Muay Thai cage, our wrestling mat. We have weight rooms and heavy bags, and this is where it all goes down. The greatest fighters in the world train here. Guys like Thiago Alves and Mike Brown and Hector Lombard and myriad of others who train here. And these are my friends, these are my brothers, these are the guys we train with. We want to start showing you guys some jiu-jitsu today. We're going to start with an excellent position that you can use on your friends and family and hurt them. Have fun. This is Josiah and this is Lucas, and they're about to show you one of the most successful, difficult, dangerous positions. First one was called a flying arm bar. The second one was called a flying triangle. Now, I want to show you one that you can use on your friends and family. If Lucas grabs, somebody grabs you around the back, you lock their hand, take your thumb and put it over their wrist. You grab underneath, grabbing your own wrist, and then here's the key position. Is this foot here steps out and around, take them down. That's called the Kimura. Again, somebody grabs you from behind, either over and under, or even if they grab you here, grab on the both sides, here. Thumb in, pushing down. Arm goes over the top of the elbow. You lock and grab your own wrist, and then you step down, out, and around. Kimura, lesson 1, Jiu-Jitsu. Oops.
Ho, ho, frickin' ho! Moody Boodi's here to give you guys some Christmas cheer. I thought it'd be funny to give some of our friends here at this lovely establishment of Underground Reptiles some gifts, because I love them. Let's walk around and see who we're gonna give some gifts to here. Who do we got here? Oh, it's my we gotta do Pete first. Pete. Hey, Pete, come here.
Hi, how are you?
I got some free crap for you.
What do you got for me?
Now listen, I know you don't celebrate
That's
Christmas,
part of yours, right?
so I got you something special
I know
from your pal Moody Boodi. We got matzah. Happy Jew Year.
Oh yeah.
Who else do we got here?
This
Who's
ain't
hiding
gonna go
from me? Oh, sorry. Pete. Oh, there he is.
Shut up.
It's everybody's favorite ugly friend. Now, Ugly Sam, yes, I feel bad they call you that. So I thought I would help you out, considering you're not as good looking as your pal Moody Boodi. Let's see, what do I got in here for Ugly Freakin' Sam? It's really freaking hard to see in here right now. Oh, here we go. Alright, Sam, first up, since you're such an ugly dog, we figured we'd get you a leash.
Oh, thank you so much. I've been needing one of these. Thank
If
you.
anybody ever cares enough about you, they might take you for a walk or something. And then finally, some makeup. This will make you much more beautiful.
So do I use this during the day or at night?
Shut up. All the time. In fact, it's cover up. So if it doesn't make you better looking, at least we'll see less of you.
Do we get more money?
Shut up.
Exactly, it doesn't make me feel
Your time is up. Who else do we got here? Let's go find some more friends.
They're coming in, I believe, tomorrow.
Ho, ho, ho.
As soon as I get them, I'm taking the
I'm not as scary as I look.
Let me
Hi, hey, Paul. How you doing? It's Moody Boodi. Hey, buddy. Merry Christmas. Oh, enjoy. Hey, Josh. Moody Boodi. Merry Christmas. Oh. You don't touch Moody Boodi. Oh, it's my good friends. Inbred retard. And Austin can't go beard Harris. How you doing, Austin? We got a present for you here.
My man Inbred. He doesn't have to stuff his belly.
Hey,
it's all natural.
First up, we know you've had such a hard time growing a beard. So we all took donations. Here's a little bit of armpit hair. You can fill in the missing spots.
Even though he doesn't have much pubes, he sacrificed what he had. Thank you,
Listen up.
Moody Boodi.
No problem. And when you
Thank
realize
you,
how
man.
ridiculous it is that you're growing that thing, you might want to shave it off.
I appreciate that.
No problem.
Nice one
Don't
there.
you touch.
Happy Hanukkah.
Oh, get out of here. I'll kick your butts, I promise. You know, inbred. Actually, we'll come back to you. For Ryan, the owner here, let me see, what do I got for him? He's that fighter guy. He likes
I do.
doing arm bars and punching people
got it,
in the
thank you.
face. So we figured when he's doing his women's Taibo class, these might come in handy. Enjoy, Ryan. I better get a raise for that. Let's see. Oh, I can't forget about our good friend Ryan B, too. Everybody knows what that squeaky guy sounds like, right? Kermit the Frog. Ha ha. Enjoy. You can hang those up on your goofy desk there. And who else do we got here? Oh, yes, Inbred. My good pal, Inbred.
Yeah.
That epic beard of yours deserves an epic comb.
Oh, that is sweet.
Enjoy, yes. You see, everybody else got crappy gifts, but I like you. Here's some more outhouse tokens, too, for you there, buddy.
Oh, they're plastic and they say copy on them. now.
Oh,
That's
and
awesome.
wait. The final gift, before I forget, I can't forget this gift, is we decided to do a paternity test for you. And it's true. Your uncle is really your father, grandfather, or whatever it is. You inbred piece of trash. Merry freaking Christmas.
Thank you.
That's it from Moody Boodi. You guys, we'll see you later. Merry friggin' Christmas. They're throwing crap because they love me. Everybody loves Moody Boodi. Send your checks and Christmas cards, care of Moody Boodi. See you later, turds.
in light of the jiu-jitsu, in light of mixed martial arts, in light of the questions that people keep asking, why do I keep saying us? First of all, us is it's a Japanese term. It basically means I agree. You can be in Japan and talk to somebody us, and it's like saying, oh, I agree. It means nothing to anybody except when you say us. Because now you're saying a word that the samurai used to say, calling down a power greater than their own. When the samurai were in a war, in a fight, and they needed power beyond what they had, they used to use that was what's called a battle cry. Os! And used to hear that. That's why in martial arts, almost every Japanese martial arts, especially even we still do it in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, when the class starts and when the class ends, and when your teacher or your sensei or your master is speaking to you, you acknowledge him by going os, os. You say, some guys say os 1,000 times a day. That's why I say os, because I'm a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu artist, or whatever you call it, artist. You wouldn't buy my art. If you're talking to a Marine, it'd be like saying hoorah! You guys know what I'm talking about, Semper Fi. If you're talking to somebody in the army, what would you say? Hua! Hua! Hua? You know what I mean now. Us!
Hi guys, it's Pete the Bugman again, and look what I got for you today. This is an olive-keeled flat rock scorpion. Look at that thing. See why I'm holding it? You know why I'm holding? Because it's not dangerous. See that? Look at that. It could pinch you and give you quite a pinch if you want, so I don't want to get him too mad, but the sting is very, very, very... Look at that. Look at that. The sting is... It's got a tiny sting, so he or she cannot hurt you. The thing is, with these, the bigger the claw, the skinnier the tail, most of them are less toxic that way. Usually the thicker the tail, the skinnier the claw, the more dangerous the scorpion is. So with this one, this is highly, highly harmless. Look at that. I'm holding it, I'm playing with it. I touch its tail, it'll pet its little tush it there. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Another animal from basically Africa, Tanzania. They come from South Africa, different types of the flat rocks. This one, I believe, is from Tanzania. This is the olive-keeled. Beautiful animal. Look how flat it is. So they can wedge themselves into rocks. So nothing can grab them. There's a lot of creatures that can eat these things. See, they look very venomous. Ah! Hello there, sir. Oh, yes. That's my father. He always bothers me all the time when I'm doing filming. Anyway, look at that. It's a really cool animal. Hangs out. It's not that hyper. This is actually a good pet for somebody who likes scorpions. And they get almost as big. If not, they can get almost as big as an emperor scorpion. Yes, mainly tail and claw. Their body stays kind of small, but it's really flat.
L'chaim.
Yes, look at that thing, huh? It's beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
It's like the Star of David, yeah? You think, huh?
I want one of those.
You can have them all if you want. Just give me the money. Show me the money. Show me the money, Meshuggah. I'll tell you right now. So, I think these are cool. Look at that. It just sits in your hand. It doesn't even move. And I like these. So, this is a cool scorpion for you guys. You're looking for something really cool, easy, low maintenance? Get yourself a nice olive-keeled flat rock scorpion. Look at that. I love the African scorpions. This thing is so content. Yes, I like it. All right, let's put him back, or her, or it. Looks like that's a female. Yes, so it's a her. We'll put her back. I got another beauty to show you. That's the olive-keeled flat rock scorpion. Look at this thing. This is called a desert hairy scorpion. This is from the southwest U.S. Check this out. It looks very dangerous, but it's not. It glows. It can glow, yes. You put a black light on these things at night and they give a red hue. No, you don't want to touch it too much, little boy, because it can still sting and hurt you. That's why I'm not handling it, but it's a beautiful animal. They got hairs on this stinger, so they can sense when something comes by and they turn around and grab it. The cricket or lizard or even another scorpion. See how dry I keep it? They like it kind of dry. These are desert animals, but yet you still got to give them some water. This is another temporary container we keep them in. But they get water, and usually they have a hide because these things like to dig. They burrow themselves, very deep sand, way down, where it is humid, and that's where they can molt, because they cannot molt on top of the sand. It's too dry. It'll kill them. This scorpion can live about 20 years. Can you believe it? 20 years for a bug to live that long? That's pretty good if you ask me. So that's a beautiful desert hairy scorpion. America's classic. God bless America. All right, we'll put him back there. Now, I got a treat for you. This I cannot take out. This is weird. This is in the whole bug situation here, but this is not an arachnid. This is Chilopoda. They call it chilipod, myriapod, millipedes and centipedes. This is a centipede. This is Scolopendra subspenopedes. I think I said that right, yes. This is hails from the jungles of Vietnam. This thing can get about 10 inches long, almost an inch thick, full of fury, like a dragon. This thing has very strong venom. This can actually hurt you really bad. Maybe not kill you, but make you very sick and stay in the hospital for days. So this is something you don't want to mess with. This is still a juvenile. These like it moist. You notice how I have the Eco Earth very moist? He or she gets sprayed once a week as well. Again, fed, anything. This thing will tackle anything. This thing will probably kill the scorpion. Even a tarantula. They've known to eat other animals bigger than themselves, just attack them and kill them with the venom. Then their tails, or their terminal legs as we call them, pierce, and they hold on to the animal while he's grabbing it from the front and venomate it with his, they're not fangs, they're actually claws. They don't have fangs. People say they got fangs. They're actually modified claws filled with venom. So that's how they grab the animal. They hold it down and they pin it, and then they inject it. And while they're eating it, the venom is going in. What a way to die. Ugh. Oy, I don't feel too good now. So this is one animal. This is one of my favorites. I like the centipedes. All right, people. This is Pete the Bugman from Underground Reptiles. Bugs rule. Remember that. Bugs rule. You could say that. Bugs rule. Nah, she's too shy. She wants to hold the centipede.
Ho, 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 you turds. You guys probably saw that some of the guys here got their free crap. So now it's time for you to get your free crap. This week, we'll be giving away some vivarium design books. Maybe some pond designing books. Something to make your stink holes look a little bit better. Anyways, we got our comment winners this week. First up, we've got Q2 for Life. Q2 for Life tells us that they would not sell their animals if it became illegal, but they would just keep them. Let me clue you in, Q2. Keeping them would still be illegal, knucklehead. Anyways, then he also says that he wouldn't want to go to jail for their animals, or she, I don't know who this is, but they wouldn't want to go to jail. That reminds me, Moody Boodi actually got his nickname at the Broward Juvenile Detention Center. That's why they call me Moody Boodi. Also, he talks about liking Moody Boodi, as everybody does. And it's kind of weird about it. So easy there, okay? Don't be such a creep. And then says Moody Boodi should run for president. Well, let me tell you, I'm not into politics. I'm too smart for that crap. Anyways, moving on, you're gonna win your landscape book, Vivarium Design. Enjoy. Cousin Crew is our next winner. Cousin Crew 1, I'm sorry. Because I guess there might be a Cousin Crew 2, 3, or 4. Like there's a bunch of knuckleheads that would come up with that nickname. Anyways, Cousin Crew writes that they would dig a hole and take their animals down underground with them. You might got a good idea there. Digging a hole and all and burying yourself in it. As far as the beard thing that they write about, any beard would be okay, as long as you're not growing a beard like Austin Harris's. And thirdly, we've got Anna Wolverine.
I thought that was the guy on X-Men with the claws. Maybe not. Maybe he's writing to us about our reptiles. This multi-millionaire with nothing else better to do with their time. Anna Wolverton writes that she would hide out like an old cat lady and keep her animals with her. Well, judging by the comments that you've written there, Anna, I'm sure you'll be well suited for a strange and solitary life alone with your animals. In fact, I'm sure you'd be doing the world a favor by keeping yourself secluded with all of your reptiles. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. Anyways. Then she writes, in conclusion, something about piecing home slices. Something else having to do with food. I don't understand. I'm not into all that young hip jogging. Anyways, you guys have been good to us. We thank you, especially Moody Boodi. All your love and comments. Enjoy your free crap this week. Merry freaking Christmas. Happy Chanukah. And I don't even know the other names. I can't pronounce them.
Yo, fool, it's called Kwanzaa! Kwanzaa, man, Kwanzaa!
Yeah, do you have my email?
Whatever. Light some candles. Burn down a tree, I don't care. Enjoy your free crap and leave me alone. Goodbye.
Sounds like Moody Boodi has bronchitis.
Shut up.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for this.
Yeah, info.
Thanks for joining us at 20 Minutes Underground. Hope you guys have a blessed Christmas. Keep your country in prayer. There's crazy things happening. And this week's question of the week, in light of our show, what is your favorite non-reptile amphibian? Like, what's your favorite spider? And get a little description. Like I showed you guys my my kinkajous a couple weeks ago. Tell me what your favorite non-reptile is. It could be a dog or a cat too. You might, I don't know, can you insert a picture? Insert a picture. We'd like to see it. Send us a picture. God bless you guys. Us.